Hey everybody, it's Donna, the Blissful Planner. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I hope that you'll stick around a while, watch my videos, and get to know me, and subscribe, and share my content on social media. For my returning viewers, thank you so much for your continued support. I am today doing a January monthly in my social media planner, which is a classic vertical. So this is the monthly, and thank God for January 2021. Just a few more days, guys, and we'll be there. All right. I went ahead and laid down several stickers. These were old stickers I had. My goal is to use up a lot of the sheets that I have just one or two stickers on. And this, I think these were actually stickers that a friend gave me that she wasn't going to use. Thanks, Christy. And these are, I don't even remember what book they're out of. I think they are out of maybe Best Year Ever. I'm not sure. Anyway, I'm trying to go with like a rose gold, black, white, pink sort of theme. So, you know, I may have made the mark, I may have not made the mark, but here we go. So, first thing I want to say is Happy New Year, everybody. And I am so excited that we have a new year coming, and I'm hoping and praying that we will have new things on the horizon that are good, and we'll all be blessed. So, I know this Happy New Year is in gold, and I can't help that. I didn't have one in rose gold, so there you go. And I'm going to put down, if I can get that, I got a little tiny piece of, there we go. Put my cheers right there. And then I got a big, since I had all this white space, my hooray right here. Like, we are so happy. Now, you'll probably be asking, why do you have Saturday and Sunday completely masked off? Well, first of all, that tells me that Saturday and Sunday is for planning, and that's it. So, I thought what I would do, and I probably will still put down date dots, but I generally keep track of all of my list of planner videos that I'm going to do. But I just wanted to mark these off, because then that just automatically, when I flip to the monthly, because I have it written out in the pages what videos will be when, I know my Saturdays and Sundays are for planning and videoing and editing, etc. So with that being said, that's why the Saturday and Sunday is all covered up. So let's go ahead and put down a box right here. And another little box. And I'm going to put one little splash of color. And I want to try to make sure, I'm trying to really improve laying stickers down straight in 2020. We'll see how that pans out, won't we? See? Already an epic. I think the harder I try, the worse it gets. So, I do a whole lot better if I flip them upside down and do it like that. Still doesn't look completely straight, but that's okay. You know what? Doesn't have to be completely perfect every time. All right. I like that. This is sort of funky and different, and I really, really like it. And I know y'all are going to think this looks stupid. And you know what? Maybe it does. But I just want to put a couple, like, I see Gabe do this all the time, and I absolutely love that he does that. And that might not, it's going to stick to that. I want that to stay down. And what I want to do is I want to cut this. I just want some, you know, pizzazz, so to speak, in there. And I love how he makes stuff go off the page. So, just so you know there, Gabe, I love his videos. If you all have not seen his videos, please. He's quick. He's to the point. You know, he's a man with a plan, and he knows how to get it done. And I so look forward to my Saturday and Sunday mornings watching Gabe, because, you know, I love it, because he doesn't have a lot of, you know, indecisiveness. And I love that about his channel. It's like he goes through a couple sticker books and just picks out what he wants, and he's good to go. So I want to put that there, and I think I'm just going to put, I wish that would lay down. I think I'm just going to put this one right here, because I just want to bring out happiness, being positive, and all that for 2021. You know, this is an opportunity, and if people don't do like resolutions and all that, that's fine. If there was ever a year that I would want to do them and stick to them, it would be this year. I do want to go over the washi with you guys. I used this flowered washi. I used a solid white washi, little tiny strip, the little black vertical stripe or horizontal diagonal stripe, and then this was from the Stars at Theaters of Stars, and I just really like that little design. Oops. So those were my washies that I used, and I just really wanted it to be something different and just something I hadn't seen. I know it's maybe a little bit all over the place, but I did go over my 2021 and my January with this metallic marker. It says Forever in Time Paper Craft Collection. I think I got this on clearance at Hobby Lobby, and it is a rose gold marker. So I went over my January here with that, and my 2021, and I'll probably go over all these little blue dots with it here in just a minute, but I didn't think that you all literally want to sit and watch me color in a bunch of blue dots. So, you know, with that being said, you know, trying to save y'all some time. So, this is my January 2021 monthly spread in my social media planner. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Feel free to share my videos. Feel free to leave a comment and leave a comment on videos that you'd like to see this year. If you have anything in mind, I'd be more than happy to do it. Something even different and a little out of the box. That's my middle name, is Out of the Box. I like stuff that's just different and things I haven't seen before. So with that being said, have a great rest of your week coming forward. If I don't do a video on New Year's, Happy New Year, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.